Hello, this is Alexander Cross, Criminal Defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area. If you'd like to learn more about criminal defense, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comment section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos for you. So, we received an interesting inquiry here on our YouTube channel. This has to do with somebody who was accused of lascivious acts with minors. Let's see here. My sister's husband accuses me of touching the intimate parts of their 9-year-old daughter, which is my niece. They say that I have done it while I have been drunk. Well, first of all, voluntary intoxication is not a defense. If you commit a sexual crime against your niece, you're not going to be able to say that you were drunk as an excuse. Remember, voluntary intoxication is not a defense. Now, just to let you know, lewd and lascivious acts with a minor, generally speaking, has to do with touching the chest, private area, or buttocks of the minor, usually under the age of 14, for sexual gratification. This is a felony under Penal Code Section 288, parentheses A, here in the state of California, which carries up to 8 years state prison, plus having to register as a sex offender for life under Penal Code Section 290. And for those of you who do not know, when somebody has to register as a sex offender under Penal Code Section 290, that person has to wake up every morning on his birthday, and he needs to go to the local police station. He needs to give up his prints and his picture, and all of his info will show up on meganslaw.ca.gov, and it's actually rather embarrassing. So you want to make sure that you do everything possible to avoid being on that list. It's also extremely difficult to find housing because you cannot live in apartment buildings where there are children. You can't live near parks and schools. So you essentially have to rent a house or a room in an isolated part of town or in the middle of nowhere. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comment section below so that we can respond in the future with more videos for you. But if you've been accused of a crime here in the San Francisco Bay Area and need representation, give us a call for a free consultation at 1-800-862-7677. Once again, 1-800-862-7677. On our next video, we're going to be discussing the case of somebody who did a little vandalism for vengeance. Criminal lawyer, criminal lawyers, DUI lawyer, DUI lawyers, criminal attorney, criminal attorneys, DUI attorney, DUI attorneys.